Inventory Anything is a great assistant to keep track of your inventory. The app allows you to collect necessary information in seconds. The app captures barcodes, pictures, and helps you quickly find the item and track its quantity and type. You can run reports to see the sales, expenses, and profit per item. Let's see how the app works. Hit Add Inventory. Once you fill out the inventory, hit Save, and the app will generate an Excel and a PDF file that you can easily share with anyone. The reports are also stored in the app for quick access. Add new inventory each time you get, or ship or sell the item. You can run a report to search a particular item's movement. Here we see that 10 items were in and 5 items were out. The Inventory Anything app is available for free download from Apple and Google stores. The links can be found in the description to this video. This app can be customized to meet your specific business needs. Contact us at support@snappy.com if you have any questions.